Ditch the DIY. Embrace the elegance of MagikFlame, the ultimate fireplace wood holder alternative. Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our video about MagikFlame electric fireplaces, a sophisticated alternative to traditional wood-burning fireplaces and their accompanying wood holders. In this video, we'll explore the challenges of creating a DIY fireplace log holder and how MagikFlame eliminates the need for wood storage altogether. Please take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Understanding fireplace wood holders. Fireplace wood holders, also known as log racks or firewood storage racks, are designed to keep your firewood organized, dry, and easily accessible. They come in two main varieties: indoor log holders and outdoor firewood log racks. The primary purpose of a fireplace wood holder is to ensure that your wood stays dry and ready to burn. Wet or damp wood not only produces less heat but also creates more smoke and creosote buildup in your chimney, which can lead to safety hazards like chimney fires. The challenges of DIY fireplace wood holders. While the idea of crafting your own firewood log holder might seem appealing, the reality is often far more complicated than it appears. Building a sturdy and attractive log rack requires a significant investment of time and effort, and creating a design that complements your home's decor can be a struggle. When you factor in the cost of materials, tools, and your time, creating a DIY log holder may not provide the best value for your money. Improperly stored wood can also attract pests or create a fire hazard if placed too close to your home or fireplace. Introducing MagikFlame, the anti-DIY solution. MagikFlame is a revolutionary electric fireplace manufacturer that offers a sophisticated alternative to traditional wood-burning fireplaces and their accompanying wood holders. By combining cutting-edge technology with meticulous craftsmanship, MagikFlame delivers an unparalleled fireplace experience that eliminates the need for wood storage and log racks altogether. At the heart of every MagikFlame fireplace is the patented HoloFlame technology, which uses advanced LED and LCD screens to create ultra-realistic flame effects. These flames are paired with high-quality audio of crackling logs, creating an immersive experience that rivals the ambience of a real wood-burning fireplace. Key features of MagikFlame electric fireplaces. MagikFlame electric fireplaces offer a wide range of features that set them apart from both traditional wood-burning fireplaces and other electric fireplace brands. Fully customizable fireplace experience. MagikFlame offers an impressive selection of 30 different flame styles, each meticulously crafted to mimic the appearance of real flames. From gentle, flickering embers to roaring, full-bodied flames, you can choose the perfect ambience for any occasion or mood. To further enhance the realism of the flames, MagikFlame incorporates dynamic ember effects that simulate the natural rise and fall of embers in a wood-burning fireplace. This attention to detail creates a truly immersive experience that captivates the senses. Low maintenance and hassle-free operation. With a MagikFlame electric fireplace, there's no need to worry about sweeping up ashes, cleaning soot from the hearth, or disposing of partially burned logs. Simply sit back and enjoy the ambience without any of the cleanup associated with traditional wood-burning fireplaces. Say goodbye to the tedious tasks of chopping, stacking, and storing firewood. MagikFlame fireplaces operate on electricity, so you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of a fireplace without the need for a wood rack, log holder, or any other fireplace accessories. The Athena, a showcase of MagikFlame's elegance. One of MagikFlame's most popular models is the Athena, a stunning electric fireplace that exemplifies the company's commitment to elegance and innovation. The Athena boasts a sleek, modern design that seamlessly blends with any home decor style, making it the perfect focal point for your living room, bedroom, or home office. In addition to its beautiful appearance, the Athena also features a powerful 5,200 BTU infrared heater, capable of warming spaces up to 1,000 square feet. This means you can enjoy the cozy ambience of a fireplace while also supplementing your home's heating system, potentially saving on energy costs and reducing your environmental impact. Additional benefits of MagikFlame electric fireplaces. Beyond their convenience and aesthetic appeal, MagikFlame electric fireplaces offer a range of additional benefits that make them an attractive choice for homeowners and interior designers alike. Energy efficiency and cost savings. MagikFlame electric fireplaces are designed with energy efficiency in mind. By using LED technology for the flame effects and infrared heating for warmth, these fireplaces consume significantly less power than traditional electric heaters. This translates to lower energy bills and a more environmentally friendly heating solution. Safe for homes with children and pets. Because MagikFlame fireplaces don't use real flames, they eliminate the risk of sparks, embers, or accidental burns associated with wood-burning fireplaces. This makes them a safer choice for homes with children or pets, as there's no need to worry about curious little hands or paws getting too close to the fire. Year-round enjoyment. Unlike wood-burning fireplaces, which are typically only used during the colder months, MagikFlame electric fireplaces can be enjoyed year-round. The flame effects can be operated with or without heat, allowing you to create a cozy ambience even on warm summer evenings. MagikFlame, a company committed to innovation and customer satisfaction. Behind the revolutionary MagikFlame electric fireplaces is a company dedicated to pushing the boundaries of technology and delivering an exceptional customer experience. MagikFlame is a family-owned business based in Nashville, Tennessee, where each fireplace is meticulously hand-built over a period of 4 to 6 weeks using premium components and undergoes rigorous quality checks before shipping. MagikFlame's dedication to customer satisfaction is evident through its comprehensive warranty, free lifetime VIP customer support, and 30-day in-home trial. The company's team of fireplace experts is available 7 days a week to assist customers with any questions or concerns, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience from start to finish. Conclusion. In a world where DIY projects are often celebrated, it's important to recognize that not every task is worth tackling yourself. When it comes to fireplace wood holders, the time, effort, and potential frustrations involved in creating a functional and attractive log rack often outweigh the benefits. By choosing a MagikFlame electric fireplace, you can enjoy all the warmth, ambience, and convenience of a traditional fireplace without the need for a wood holder or any of the associated maintenance. With their ultra-realistic flame effects, powerful heating capabilities, and low-maintenance operation, MagikFlame fireplaces offer a sophisticated alternative that seamlessly blends with any home decor style. So, if you're considering a fireplace for your home, skip the DIY firewood rack and opt for the elegance and simplicity of a MagikFlame electric fireplace. Your living room, your back, and your peace of mind will thank you. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality videos like this one.